Welcome to the world of amazing animal partners.
Come and get it! So, cowboy, what's for supper? Same as usual, cowpoke. Beans again? That's all we ever eat. That's how the West was won. You're darn tootin'. So are you.
Are you talking to yourself, Henry?
I have to. There's nobody else to talk to out here.
Maybe you need a partner.
It's like they say in that old country song. A cowboy needs a partner like a spider needs a fly. But I ain't got nobody, I'm so lonesome I could cry.
Now I know why you don't have a partner.
Shh! Did you hear that? I think we're being watched. Maybe it's a bandito.
What's a bandito?
Kind of like an enchilada, but no cheese. All right, you varmint. I'm coming to get ya.
Henry, you're bandits out here.
Hmm? Well, I'll be. Hey, get out of there.
Wait a minute. You're a cowboy, Henry, and you said you needed a partner. He's perfect.
I don't know.
Hey, don't look a gift horse in the mouth.
Okay. Howdy, horse. Aw. You know, this could be the start of a beautiful partnership. We both love beans, after all.
Oh, there's a lot more to animal partnerships than beans, Henry. Especially when the partnership benefits both sides.
Now, that's one way to pick your partners.
Some partners have their squabbles. Others are great at sharing.
Maybe they split the bill.
You don't have to be a beauty to get a partner.
You can say that again. But what about sparring partners? They're always there in a pinch.
Here's a partnership of little and large.
Talk about getting your ticks.
This little fish feeds on the big one's scale slime.
How nice for both of them.
And finally, the decorator crab, which has a special partnership with the sea anemone.
Looks like the anemone's an enemy to me.
Not at all. Here, the anemone gets to hitch a ride and trawl for food.
While the decorator crab gets decorated. A handy disguise. Way to go, partner! You know, partner, you're lucky winding up with a real cowboy like me. I can spit. Twing. I like cows. And I've got a Yahoo hat.
Why a Yahoo hat?
'Cause when you're a cowboy, you always go, Yahoo!
Uh-oh.
Looks like one prickly customer. Hey, look at this. It says wanted. Real rootin' tootin' deputies needed to clean up this town. BYOH. What's BYOH?
Maybe bring your own horse?
Well, I'll be. That's the job for me and my partner. Now stand still. A law lizard needs his hat. Almost. Almost. Yo! Why'd you do that? I thought we were partners.
It takes more than a minute to forge a good partnership, Henry. Some animals work at it their whole lives. You'll just have to hang in there.
Very funny. Help!
Take a look at the albatross. Birds that are completely monogamous their whole lives.
Oh, I don't think they're that boring.
No, not monotonous. Monogamous means that they have just one partner.
Like Batman and Robin?
More like Superman and Lois Lane. Albatrosses form the animal equivalent of a married mom and dad, but they only see each other once every 2 years when they come together to breed.
They must have a lot of catching up to do. Look, they're kissing.
Not exactly. Each albatross pair must find each other in the midst of a crowded breeding ground. With up to 20,000 birds all over the same island, this can take time. That's their courtship dance, in which they reestablish their commitment to one another, kind of like humans making vows to each other at their weddings.
Aw, it's so romantic.
The female lays just one egg. Once their chick is hatched and it's big enough to look after itself, the parents will separate. They won't see each other for another 2 years.
Maybe that's the secret of a happy marriage.
In a Lark-Gibbon marriage, the partners spend their whole lives together. Both the mother here and the father with the darker fur protect their home from intruders. Like this guy.
Is he a gibbon too?
Yes. He has his eye on Mama Gibbon, so Daddy Gibbon's singing to chase him off.
I see he's giving it all he's got.
Mother and father sing a duet to each other, announcing their close partnership. The rival male seems to get the message. The song is particular to each couple, with no gibbon pair having exactly the same song.
I know what this one's called. A family that sings together, clings together.
Oh, brother. How are the horse riding lessons going, Henry?
Pretty good. I think he's starting to get the hang of it.
I thought you were the one who was supposed to be learning.
Learn? I'm a natural. I was saddle sore before I could walk. Let's go. Step on it. Vamos.
I think the word is, giddy up!
Ah! Thanks. What do you say for stop? Giddy stop? Giddy stop. Giddy stop.
But I thought you were a natural, Henry.
I am. A natural faller-offer.
What you need is practice.
Okay, I'm practicing. I'm still practicing. Satisfied? Ah!
I think you'd better take a look at how some real naturals hitch a ride, Henry.
Hey! Come back!
You could learn from the goby fish, who's popping out of his tunnel to have a look around. His partner is a blind shrimp, which can't see a thing, but is a fantastic tunnel digger.
I can dig that.
The partnership benefits both. The shrimp digs them a home,
However shrimp-sized.
while the goby acts as the shrimp's guide dog, with the shrimp keeping in constant touch with its antennae.
In the cave! Now! Hill boy! Or should I say Finn? Finn boy! Finn!
Hummingbirds move so quickly you wouldn't think any animal could hitch a ride on them.
But you'd be wrong. Can you see those bugs?
Those are mites, Henry, about the size of a grain of sand.
That's mighty small for a partner, don't you think?
Yep, and these few seconds are the mites' only chance to descend on a new flower full of nectar, and it looks like they'll make it.
I thought they might.
Henry! Henry, it's time for your report on animal bloodsuckers.
What? Now?
Yes, now.
Out of my way! Journal lizard coming through! Tonight, Jellycomb Jellyfish plays Vegas. And lizards visit Mars. And like it? But now, our top story. The farmyard was flabbergasted by reports of vampire cows. By day, they may chew grass and moo, but late at night, these bovine beauties don capes, wear slick-back hairstyles, and sprout fangs. Often pretending to be bats, except with udders, they fly through the sky in search of prey, leaving a trail of scared rabbits in their wake. The problem may be spreading, with unconfirmed sightings of werewolf lambs, a mummy goose, and the attack of the 50-foot turkey. So shut the barn door, wear garlic-flavored pajamas, and beware of bats saying, moo, because the vampire cows are moving in. Do you think they bought it?
You couldn't even give it away, Henry.
That's